Hello, and welcome to this play-along tutorial for Genius Squares, the game where you place objects on the board to finish the puzzle before your opponent. This play-along tutorial is meant to play your first game while learning, from setup to scoring. So, I invite you to play your first full game, starting right now. Let's open the box and get out all the pieces we need to play. There should be 2 boards, 18 game pieces, 2 of each color, 14 wooden circles, and 7 dice. There will be times in this tutorial where I suggest you pause the video while you do something in your own game. This is one of those moments. So why don't we pause while you confirm that you have all the pieces pictured here. Let's move on to the setup. Step 1. Give everyone playing a board. Step 2. Separate the circle, dice, and the colored blocks. Each board will use 1 of each colored wooden block, and 7 of the wooden circles. Next, roll the dice. The dice will show a letter and a number. Place the wooden circle in the spots on the game board where the letter and number cross paths. Now you're all set up. You can pause if you need more time. Playing the game is relatively easy. Take the colored wooden blocks and place them on the board until there are no more empty spaces. As long as you use the dice, everything should fit on the board. If playing with 1 board, everyone can work together to figure out the puzzle. If you're playing with 2 boards, race to see who can finish first. The game ends when the puzzle is finished. You win if you complete your board before your opponent, or if you're working together, whenever the puzzle is done. So enjoy, and remember, the first game doesn't count, so set it up and play again.